So we're down here in Leighton in East London. This is another project just completed. So what we've done on this project, this property was badly fire damaged. The whole front of the property got completely burnt out. So what the customers had to do is completely restore the whole front of the property. All the new bays gone in, all new stone bay, new window sills all through here. I'm just going to show you what's been done. So completely rebuilt the bay, new window sills, columns, capitals. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. We've bricklined and repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. I'll just show you upstairs. It's all drying out really well now. As you can see, the detail and the pointing. All nice new corbels going in underneath. Going to have all new fascia board and gutter input on. Customers having a big loft conversion done here as well. So customers doing lots of work on this property. As I say, the property was completely fire damaged, the whole house all the way through. So he's having to literally start from scratch again. So like I say, penny roll pointed all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks. Come out really well. Windows are going in a few weeks, so we'll come back, get some photographs and videos of it once it's all completed. But another project come out really well. Customers over the moon with everything come out as always. And got lots more inquiries on this street for quotations to do. We actually did a house, a tuck pointed house a couple of years back on this one. I think we're looking at doing number 28 and number 24 as well soon. So be nice to get the scaffolding down once it's all completed, and we'll get some videos and bits and pieces. I think it's having a new railings and garden wall done here, do that Victorian tile path, and get some lovely photographs once it's all finished. So if you do like the look of this project and like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.